Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to make rooms on character AI in 2025. So you can chat with multiple characters in one conversation. This is perfect for role plays, group chats, or creating your own unique story walls. Let's jump in. First, open your browser on the character AI mobile apps or log in with your accounts. If you don't have one, you will need to sign up because rooms are all only available to logged in users. So once you are in, look for the room options in the menu. Once you are in, look for rooms options in the menu. Then on desktop, it's on the left sidebar. On mobile, tap the menu icon and scroll until you find rooms, then up, tap it. Then click create room and give your no room a name and descriptions. Then this is where you set them, and like fantasy, adventure, or detective mystery. This description helps guide the AI characters on how to behave. Now it's time to add characters. You can search for existing public characters in character AI library on add your own custom characters you have created. Yeah, created character add for search for the ones you want and click add. You can add multiple characters so they can interact with you and each other. So you can set your room to private so only you can enter, or public if you want other to join. Some version of characters AI also let you adjust AI settings like how they respond or how often they interact with each other. Once a room is ready, click create or start chat. You can now talk to all characters at the same time and they will also reply to each other. This is where your story or role play can really come to life. And that's it. So you know now how to make rooms on character AI in 2025. If this guide helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.